Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether the Redmi Note 9 Pro actually supports the 4K videos playback or not. So in this test, I'll be doing the 4K 30 FPS and 60 FPS test in the Redmi Note 9 Pro in playing in the MX player, friends. And before starting the video, if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number, and you just need to send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel, as you can see, friends. And just hit the like button as well of the video. So, and you can send me the screenshot and you can ask the query what you are having regarding the smartphones. And let's get started with this test. And in this MX player, I have loaded the 4K at 60 and 30 FPS. And first, let me try to play the 4K at 30 FPS, and let's check whether the video is actually playing smoothly or not in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So right now I'm using Note 9 Pro, friends. So this can be also applicable for the Note 9 Pro Max as well, because both the phones are using the same kind of processor and specifications. So definitely this should work if it's working here. As you can see, friends, the video is playing very smooth, there is no lag. And let me open the properties so you can understand what resolution and what FPS it is. As you can see, friends, 30 FPS and resolution you can see 3840 into 2160. So this is a 4K video, friends. And let me try to play the 4K at 60 FPS video. And even I did the 8K video playback test, friends, in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So you can check the links in description for the playlist of Note 9 Pro. So you can find the playlist and you can check the video whether it's working or not, 8K video. So as you can see, friends, even the 60 FPS is working very smooth. Still I can see there is a lag. So let me try to decrease the software decoder, and let me check if I decrease the software decoder, will it work or not. The sound has been stopped, friends, as you can see. Sometimes the sound stops and sometimes even the video is a little bit kind of pass and it will continue. I can see a little bit of lag as well. So well, friends, out of 100%, I can just say maybe 70% of the video is playing, and 30% is like sound is getting disconnected, and sometimes the video is getting delay. And let me show the properties also, friends, for this video so you can understand. It's 60 FPS, as you can see, 59.9. So well, friends, the 30 FPS is playing very smoothly without any problem, but the 60 FPS has slight amount of problem in playing the videos. So overall, I can say 30 FPS is super supported in the phone, and 60 FPS is slightly supported, friends. And that's it for this video, friends. And if you have any queries, you can comment below. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.